Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Toyota Camry Hybrid. Elevate your drive with the 2013 Toyota Camry Hybrid LE, where efficiency meets elegance. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 129,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 43 miles per gallon in the city, and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the eco-champion of the road, the 2013 Toyota Camry Hybrid LE. Powered by a 2.5L hybrid i4 engine, it's your ticket to guilt-free cruising with 156 HP and 156 FT. Pounds of torque, all while leaving a smaller carbon footprint. Let's delve into its impressive factory features. From power windows and locks to mirrors and seats, convenience reigns supreme. Stay comfortable year-round with its efficient air conditioning and heating systems. Sporting a stunning Cypress Pearl exterior and a chic light gray interior, it's as stylish as it is eco-friendly. And with its stellar fuel efficiency, a remarkable 43 mpg in the city and 39 mpg on the highway, you'll spend less time at the pump and more time enjoying the journey. Rest assured, this Camry Hybrid LE is in prime condition and boasts a clean Carfax report, offering peace of mind for your eco-friendly adventures. Elevate your driving experience with the 2013 Toyota Camry Hybrid LE. Visit us today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.